Hello, curious minds. Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a journey through time, exploring the incredible story of our very own home, the history of planet Earth. From its ancient beginnings to the present day, let's uncover the epic tale that shaped the world we know today. Join me for a trip back in time. Our story begins around 4.5 billion years ago, in the early days of our solar system. A swirling disk of gas and dust came together to form our beautiful blue planet. It was a time of chaos, with intense volcanic activity and a relentless barrage of space rocks. Fast forward to about 3.5 billion years ago and cue the entrance of life. Simple organisms, like bacteria, emerged in Earth's oceans. They paved the way for the incredible diversity of life we see today. Talk about the ultimate origin story. Now let's jump to a time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. This Mesozoic era, about 252 to 66 million years ago, was the age of the giants. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the gentle giants like Brachiosaurus, the world was a Jurassic playground. As we cruise through time, picture a world covered in ice. Enter the Ice Age. About 2.4 million years ago, massive glaciers shaped the landscape. It was a challenging time, but some resilient creatures, like early mammals, thrived and set the stage for the next chapter. And now, the spotlight shifts to us, humans. About 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens appeared in Africa. Our ancestors crafted tools, created art, and ventured across continents. It's a fascinating journey of innovation and exploration. Finally, let's zoom in on the modern era. From the agricultural revolution to the industrial age, humanity has shaped the world in unprecedented ways. The rise of civilizations, technological advancements, and global connections have brought us to the present day. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the history of our incredible planet Earth. If you enjoyed this journey through time, hit the like button, subscribe for more historical adventures, and let me know in the comments which era fascinated you the most. Until our next exploration, keep marveling at the wonders of our world.